We're in Courses 04 22 Union, and if we have a quick look at the guide, and if we look at the Apollo server example there, we have two types called unions and interfaces. Unions are abstract types, and basically unions are, for example, a collection of related items but with very different schemas, whereas interfaces share, and we'll look at that in the next lesson, share a lot of common schema type definitions. So if we come back here and if we look at actually the index, we can say we're going to be doing a search. So if we come down here, we're going to be searching. It's got to contain a certain string and give us back an array of results. And the result is of either type of their books or their videos, or there could be various other things. And as we can see, a book has a very different structure to video, but it's part of the same sort of collection of what we're looking for. So when we come down here, we can see in our query what we're going to be doing is we're going to run a query and search for anything of our books that contains GraphQL. But we're saying if it is a book, on book is basically saying if it's a book, give us back the type name, i.e. it's a book, the book title, page and price. Videos, these are just the alias for these queries here, but we're using the search, we're sending in, for example, test. And on this one here, we're saying on a video, give the type name, which is the field name, the type name, and then we're giving its definition here. So let's just quickly run that query to see what that's doing. So if we come in here, and if we go down into, scroll all the way down, do that. So we've got a query. These are just the aliases. We're doing two searches, one that contains GraphQL, but if there are any books, give it here. If there, and then we're doing another search for tests on the videos, and if it's on a video, on the video type, give us a list of the video title, length, and is free. And we see books, type name book, that's because it's resolving books. The book title, page, price, it's not coming back for anything with the videos on that particular search, and vice versa on videos, it comes back with a video. And if we look at the hard-coded version, what we're really doing is we're sending back hard-coded data. So when we're doing a search, we're saying book results, there's a book title of GraphQL, and there's a video title of GraphQL server. We're sending that back and is free, true, and we're sending back all that data. We're not really looking at the args and doing a search, we're hard coding the data back, so what we're actually passing in here is of no real importance per se, but basically we're getting back that we've resolved books, and found for that we're returning this. And in this array here, we're returning for videos, we're returning the video here. And this one here, this is books and this is videos. It's not actually returning anything for that. We could actually do on book, and we could actually do this. Let's just put this in here. Let's see what this brings back. There we see we can do it like that. So we can do a different search. So we can do this type of search. So let's just do save that one. Let's delete this one here. Maybe needs another bracket. That's it. Prettify. And there we're doing all type name of books, and perhaps this is like a better search value here. So let's come back down into here, and in this one here we can do that, or we can do this one. So let's call this Q1, and let's call this Q2. So when we put that in, we can see then basically we're doing a search across books and across videos. If it's a book, give us this. If it's a video, give us that. And coming back with our array, here it's giving back all our books and all our videos.